Ever wonder how some people barely study and still crush their exams? Meanwhile, you're pulling all-nighters and still struggling? The secret? They study smarter, not harder. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. 1. Use the blurting method. Process the info. Before rereading your notes a million times, try this. Close your book and write down everything you remember about the topic. Then check what you missed. This forces your brain to recall info, making it stick way better. 2. Associate your material with anything. Want to remember something? Make it weird. The weirder, the better. Your brain loves connections. Link your notes to a song, a funny story, or even your favorite snack. It works. 3. Use sticky notes everywhere, lazy but effective. Stick notes on your walls, mirror, or anywhere you'll see them often. 5-second reviews throughout the day make a huge difference. 4. Don't waste time, review. Instead of doom scrolling, use those tiny moments to review. 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there. It all adds up. Waiting in line? Skim your notes. Got a few minutes before bed? Review key points. 5. Use drawings and images to remember. Your brain remembers pictures better than words. So instead of long notes, try doodles or diagrams. Even if you're bad at drawing, it works. 6. Pay attention in class and participate. The easiest way to study less? Actually listen in class. If you understand during class, you won't need to relearn everything later. Plus, asking questions makes it easier to remember. 7. Sleep well, 7+ hours, even on weekends cramming at 2 a.m. Bad idea. Sleep locks in what you learned and keeps your brain fresh. 7+ hours of sleep equals effortless learning. How to be that guy without studying more? See? You don't need to study more, just study smarter. Let me know which tip you'll try first. And if this helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.